Emaze is a website that provides a bunch of different options for creating things like websites and presentations and other things, but I'm going to focus on the presentation aspect. So to get started, you want to go to emaze.com and then you'll need to log in. And then once you get to this page, you can just go ahead and click Create New. And I'm focusing on presentation. From there, they open up a bunch of different templates for you to look at, or you could always do a blank one if you want, but let's say I want to use a template, and let's say I want to use an education one. Now, if you hover your mouse over the options, you can also preview the template if you kind of want to get a feel for what it is and look at it before you get started. So let's say I wanted to use this chalkboard theme. I would click Edit, and it will open up the theme in a new page. So from here, you can do all of the customizing and stuff. So as you can see, it starts out by opening this. Anytime you need to edit text or an image, you can just click on it, and it will give me all these options for editing and whatnot. You can also arrange, if they're like overlapped, you can send images to the front or back, stuff like that. So all those options and rotations and stuff are found in this toolbar here when you click on the text. That goes for everything. For resizing, you just click and drag, and it will resize everything proportionally for you, which is a really nice feature. If you need to add a section, you can go to add, or I should call it a page, and then it will give you a bunch of different pages that you can choose from. And I mean, you can always pick a blank one if you need to customize it a lot on your own. But if there are certain things you're trying to achieve, like a quiz on one slide, they already have actually a template that you can use. And then you just click it and it will open it for you and add it. There are 5 main things you can add, which you can find up at the top. So if you want to add text, just click text and then you can choose what you want to add. Images, you can search the web, you can upload, or you could even link one from your Facebook or Instagram or something. They also offer an entire media section, so you can add some music or sound or whatever you want. Videos, you can link from YouTube, Vimeo. You can actually embed things. You can just post a URL. You have a whole bunch of options within media. Under shapes, they just have a bunch of different shapes and images and stuff that you can choose from if you want. And then widgets. These are other options they have. So it says socials. You can actually embed things like a Twitter feed if you want, or charts and stuff like that, which is all under widgets. After you do something, if you ever want to undo it, you can click here, and redo is here. They have a copy and a paste section. And you can actually have multiple sections within your emaze. You would just go up to section here, and it will create a new section, and you could title them as well. So I could write whatever I want there. Once you are finished, there are a couple of things you can do with your emaze. The first is, well, one, you want to save it when you're done, but you can actually download it to your computer so you have it saved permanently, and then share. So when you click share, it gives you a couple of different options. It will give you like a link or it will help you set it up if you want to post it straight to Twitter. You can email it out. You can just get the link to have, or it actually allows you to embed it somewhere, which is really useful because that can kind of help things look nicer if you're trying to put it somewhere. So those are the basics of emaze. I think it's a good tool. It's a nice alternative to presentations since PowerPoints can get a little bit boring and stuff. And that's how emaze works.